Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, and here tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and choose contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one and choose this edit icon, so pencil icon. Now let's tap on the circle, which is the picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here we can choose it from our own gallery. We can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos are simply backed up photos, so let me just omit that. Monogram, so we can use one or two letters. You can change the background color, you can change the font, so you can do it like you want to. You can also choose emoji, so just tap on it, and here we've got all of the emojis. You can just choose the specific one. Again, you can change the background color. You can also make it monochrome, so it's more like the icon. And illustrations that are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you don't have a photo and you're not sure whether you want to use the monogram, you can choose something from those options, maybe something that resembles you of this person. I don't know, I'll pick this one. And here you've got also the presets, so you can change the colors. You can also crop the picture. I mean, you can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. Then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, and you will see it on the contact list, for example, and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.